on, babies. Come on, piggies. Suey, Suey, Betty, Opal. Suey, Suey, Suey. Come on. Suey, Suey. Come on. No, no, no. You know where to go. Right in your end stall. There you go. Come on, Miss Betty. In you go. Have your breakfast. Yeah. Such good girls. Let them out. Suey, Suey, Suey. Come on, Betty. Come on, Betty.
Come on.
Come on, Betty. Come on down, Mama.
You're going the wrong way. Oh, God, this gate sucks.
Yeah, I gotta fix it again.
No, don't go that way.
Suey, Suey.
Wrong. Come on.
Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Where's my big, beautiful girls? Come on. Come on, Betty. Oh, big Betty. Come on, Opal. Don't crap on my clean walkway. Oh, yeah, she found her babies.
So many. What are the signs of them being in heat again?
Drippage, swelled up, having a lot of moisture. There we go. They're going in for the night.